we're going to look at mean values, which are, the way I think about them is they're terms in the middle. Sometimes you can have 3 geometric means or 3 arithmetic means. That just means 3 terms in between. We'll take a look at some examples. I feel like you'll be able to figure it out really easily. And then series, the only thing that's different between a series and a sequence is that a series is when you're adding all of the numbers together, right? And you get an actual sum for the whole entire thing. But we'll take a look at that. It should be fairly simple. So we are going to find the missing terms. We need to know whether this is arithmetic or geometric. That's one piece of information that we need to focus on. And we'll use that to help us get from one term to the next. I asked you before, what's happening for arithmetic sequences? What are you doing to each thing?
You add.
You're adding or subtracting, correct?
But this is a series.
This is not a series. It says sequence. It says sequence there. So to add or subtract, and I asked you what was the thing that you're adding. What was it called?
The common difference.
Common difference, because it's the number, like how far apart they are. That's the difference. So we're adding or subtracting, but if we're subtracting, then the d value is just negative, right? So we're adding something every time to get from -9 to 21. And there's a couple things that we can do. It's fairly simple. I want to see, maybe try some stuff. So if I want to figure this out without guessing, I can say that I'm adding some d value. I don't know what it is, but I'm adding d, right? And then to get to the next one, I'm adding d again. And one more time. I added my common difference 3 times. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to say -9 plus 3d. What does that have to equal?
21.
Has to equal 21. What do you think you do now?
You add 9.
Put the 10.
Yeah, we can solve this. It's just add 9. It's just a regular equation that we can solve. 3d equals 30. Divide by 3, divide by 3. D equals 10. That's what we said. But remember, it's not asking for the common difference. It's asking for those missing terms. So if we do it like this, then we still have to go back and figure out what these terms are. And we already did that, but if we took -9 plus 10, that was 1. 1 plus 10 is 11, and 11 plus 21 is that. So those are the answers, the 1 and the 11, because that's what it was asking for. Whoa. So find the missing terms. Bless you. Those missing terms are called arithmetic means. So in this case, find 3 arithmetic means. I'll write that down eventually, but that's what we're doing. Find those numbers. So all we're doing, I'll write out my steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm adding d 4 times, so I start out with -8 plus 4 common differences, and that will have to equal 112. And then we just solve. Plus 8 plus 8. 4d equals 120. D equals 30. Remember, this is not your answer. I feel like some people will do this and then forget to actually put in their answer. So -8 plus 30 is 22, and then 52, and then 82. And those are our answers. Those missing terms are called arithmetic means. So if it gave you 2 numbers and said find 3 arithmetic means, that's just like having 3 blank spaces. Or if it said find 5 arithmetic means, you would put in 5 blank spaces and then do the same thing. Does that make sense?